Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to show you doing something like this, wording or text of images into the glass mirror. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, first thing first, you just get your superboard, okay, to make the size of your glass. Okay, so choose the material. So I just choose glass, clear glass, or optimal glass also can. Alright, so same with this. Okay, choose optimal glass. Optimal glass, okay, or clear glass also can. It's up to you guys. Right, then next, to do your image, okay, I will put two superboard. Okay, so one is you can use image, one will be using CAD lah. Right, okay, so for this, let me make the size slightly bigger. Okay, so this file will be big. Okay, so press B. Okay, so now this port selection, press B. Okay, you need this okay, B okay, B right click, random point editing, import. Okay, I import, I give example lah. Okay, so return, exit and return. Okay, so I choose my material to, okay, for example, I use this. Okay, set XC, press B to exit. Okay, so my this size is 20, so I make it thinner, so make it to 5. Okay, like this. Okay, then this one maybe I put my images. Okay, okay, I will put my images, okay, this is so select, same, rotate. So this too big, make it smaller. Okay, this inside. So be inside. Okay, then I will start render. Okay, after render, you'll see something like this lah. Okay, you can see through both sides. So if these images, you'll be like that. If you use CAD, you import, it will look something like this. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.